Scale from 1 to 10.
That's a 46. What's up, guys? Today, as promised, we are sharing our recipe for our 7 cheese mac. Woo! Woo! Alright, so if you guys are OG subscribers to this channel, you guys know that Chris is the mastermind. She is the... So Chris is the creative director, she is the mastermind, she is the showrunner of this whole operation. And she's always wanted to make a mega mac and cheese. A mega mac. So making a 7 cheese mac has been a dream, and we're finally making it come true. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's head to the fridge and get all the cheeses that we're gonna need for this recipe. So for the cheese, we have 3 Epic smoked provolone, mature cheddar, which I'm not the most excited about, but I think everything will balance it out.
It'll balance out.
Parmesan.
Oh, Parmesan.
Epic mature, yes, we've been using it. And a little bit of feta.
A little bit of feta.
A little bit.
A little bit of feta.
It's a little salty, so a little bit of feta.
A little bit of feta.
And of course, the Daiya cheddar style cutting board edition. Shred. Cheddar style, cheddar, cheddar. We like the cheddar, cheddar. We like the cheddar, cheddar. We like the cheddar, cheddar. Guys, before I continue about that Daiya cheese, make sure you get the cutting board edition. Do not get the original. We do not recommend the original. Get the cutting board edition. That is some of the best cheese on the market. As far as shredded goes, like that is our favorite shreds. So make sure you get the cutting board edition. Alright? Now, if you don't have this cheese in your area, we recommend that you go to violife.com to order it. It arrives in a few days, so it's pretty fast shipping, and this way you don't have to wait for it to show up in your area. You can also search for it on Instacart or Amazon, but if you cannot find it that way, check out this video to find out how you can have someone deliver it to your home. Now, we've tried several different vegan cheeses on this channel, and before we get into the recipe, we want to share our take on them so that you know which cheeses that we recommend and what we think you should stay away from. This is just our opinion. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to see our list of the best and the worst vegan cheeses on the market. Now, we've shared a few different mac and cheese recipes on the channel. In fact, back in 2017, Chris shared our first favorite vegan mac and cheese recipe, which featured field roast chow cheese and vegan valley cheese sauce. Now, we find our vegan valley cheese sauce at Whole Foods, and we still occasionally use it for our nachos. Since then, we've gone on to make our own raw cashew cheese sauce, and that's actually found in our raw cookbook. A couple years later, when Miyoko's released their farmhouse cheddar block, we figured we had to try it. So we made a quick, easy mac and cheese recipe on the channel, and we definitely liked how it tasted, but we weren't the biggest fans of the Miyoko's cheddar shreds. So let's go ahead and put some of that in there. Cheesy.
Ooh,
okay.
Uh-oh. I know what that face means.
It's okay. I don't know if it's something I would necessarily put over other cheeses. And when Violife released their epic mature cheddar block, we had to make a mac and cheese for the culture. For the culture! For the culture!
Wow. Wow. Wow.
That tastes restaurant quality.
Guys, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
I think this may be the best.
That's the best.
This may be the best mac and cheese for mac and cheese on the market right now.
That is the best.
So our two oldest sons, Mookie and Rocky, will actually be putting together this mac and cheese today. Now with all the block cheeses, Rocky grated them so that we can put them directly into the mac. And this is the way we normally make our mac and cheese. And with the sliced cheeses, Mookie is actually going to be making a roux with some flour, some oat milk, and then he's going to add that to the mac. Go mixing it up. Now, we're not going to use a lot of the Parmesan or the Feta because those cheeses tend to be a little strong. But a little goes a long way, and we feel that it will definitely add some kick to the dish. Also in this video, we wanted to include a slightly healthier version of this mac and cheese. Now in our last video, we featured Tolerant. We've actually featured them in a few of our other videos. The Teen Vegan Haul video and Rocky's What I Ate Today video. They make vegan organic pastas that are made from beans, and the carb count is significantly reduced. So that's great for anybody trying to watch their carb intake. So we'll be using the Tolerant elbow pasta that they actually sent us. Alright, and for the slightly healthier version, it's a little different but pretty much the same as how we did the regular mac. And then we're going to bake that at 375 degrees for 10 minutes covered. Now the other difference in the healthier version of this mac and cheese is going to be the breadcrumbs that we're using. We're going to be using Edward & Sons, but for the healthier version, we're going to be using the lightly salted version. So the great thing about Edward & Sons is they're certified organic and certified vegan. These are our favorite breadcrumbs to use. However, with the low sodium or the lightly salted version, that will help you with your sodium intake. We're topping the mac with the breadcrumbs and the Daiya cheese. We're going to broil it for about 2 minutes or until the top is golden brown. So our comments of the day come from Dr. Bronners and a couple of our other Infinite family members who have shouted us out for how we include our kids in our videos. Big shout out to you guys. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. You guys know that's why we started this channel, to show an everyday black family thriving and enjoying this vegan lifestyle and having fun. And we just want to appreciate you guys appreciating us. And if you haven't showed your appreciation for the day, please leave a like. It helps out the channel big time. Stop what you're doing, do it right now so you don't gotta do it later. And also, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button. We are a vegan family of 8, 6 vegan kids. We've been on here for, what, 4 years now?
Over 4 years.
Over 4 years. We love grinding. We love making these videos for y'all, and we want to keep making them, so hit that subscribe button to let us know that you like these videos.
Hit that like button
Hit
so
that,
YouTube knows.
Hit that like button. YouTube thrives off that like button, so hit that like button, baby. Alright, so we're gonna scoop this thing. Let me see the creaminess of it. Oh god.
That's crazy.
Oh my god. Nah.
Oh, this is a great.
We're gonna have to make another one. I don't think this is gonna last.
Oh.
I don't think it's gonna last for the cookout. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's go from 1 to 10.
That's a 46.
46.
It's a 46. That is by far the best mac and cheese we've ever made. Point blank period.
Vegan or?
Vegan, real, whatever you want to call it.
Period.
Dairy, non-dairy.
Period.
This is the best.
I gotta get some of this now.
Good. Scoop it off, scoop it off. It's too cheesy.
It's too cheesy.
Yeah.
Scale from 1 to 10.
15.
15.
All right, so Carmi is about to try the healthier one.
Hold your plate properly, baby. Ooh.
Oh, damn, super cheesy. We put less cheese in this one. How is it?
What's the over here, baby?
20.
It's a 20. I didn't even say scale of 1 to 10. That's the healthier one too.
Does it taste healthy?
It tastes healthy, but it tastes yummy too, right? Thanks, Tolerant. All right, and Karina's eating the 7 cheese mac and cheese. And scale of 1 to 10. 110. Okay. Alright guys, so up on the screen we're going to put our favorite cheeses that we like to use for mac and cheese. So definitely use these cheeses. Obviously it's going to be some of the cheeses that we used in this mac, because this mac is bussin'. I mean, bussin'. And as far as mac and cheese goes, the only store-bought vegan mac and cheese that we recommend is Mac and Yee's. Guys, if you don't know what Mac and Yee's is, check out this video here. We reviewed it for the holidays, so you can check out this video for a full review of Mac and Yee's. And they also recently started selling it at Costco's nationwide. So check your local Costco or check your Instacart to see if Mac and Yee's is available in your area. But if it isn't, you can always go on IEatgrass.com and order your Mac and Yee's today. They have the original flavor, and then they have jalapeno cheddar. We still have our jalapeno cheddar, and we can't wait to try it. But definitely, if you guys have not tried Mac and Yee's before, now is your chance. Go ahead and order it today so you can be part of the team, baby, so we can eat it together. Now, if y'all are some OG subscribers, y'all know that Epic Mature Cheddar from Violife is one of our favorite vegan cheeses, if not the favorite.
It's the best on the market.
It's the best on the market. Now it's the smoked. It's the smoke now. If y'all don't know about the smoke, y'all need to check out this video right here, because
Y'all don't want that smoke.
y'all want that smoke. Oh, maybe you do. That thing is full. But we loved the Violife Epic Mature so much that we included it in our cookbook. Guys, if you don't have that cookbook, what are you doing?
What is it now?
What are you doing? Guys, the cookbook is only $6.19 right now, as well as the raw cookbook that I just mentioned. Both cookbooks, as a matter of fact, all of our cookbooks on our website are only $6.19. Now is the best time to get it. We don't know how long that price is gonna remain $6.19, so you better get it while you still can. We wanna say a big thank you to everybody who's already picked up that cookbook. We see you guys blowing up our cookbook sales. I mean, it's going crazy. That thing going crazy. That thing is stinging. But thank you, big thanks. Big shout out to all of y'all. Oh, and one more thing. If it's anything that we've learned in the 6 years of being vegan as a family, it's that vegan brands, well, plant-based food in general goes through a lot of changes, especially because of social media. If a brand drops a product and it's just not very good, it doesn't matter how many influencers they pay to say it's good. If it's bad, people like us will go on record to let other people know that it needs work, but to still support and let these brands know what changes need to be made. The truth is, these companies move fast and they ultimately end up changing the recipe to improve it. So that campaign where they spend a bunch of money to make these influencers hype up the product is really not worth it in our opinion. As much as a meteoric rise and hype gets praised, organic growth is always the best growth. For the record, in 4 years and in over 650 pieces of content between YouTube and Instagram, we've never done a piece of sponsored content ever. Not everyone discloses when a brand has paid them or has given them talking points to talk about their product, so you gotta be careful out here in these vegan streets. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk and zip up your coat. See you in the next one.